it's Ashley from WTI, and this is Cupshe's Coverup. I absolutely love the detail on this. It has a really soft material and it has fringes at the bottom. It adds to that bohemian look. You can use this over a bathing suit or you can wear it over your clothes. It adds a really nice touch of tropical vibe. It is beautiful with this eyelet material. I would highly recommend it. It's lightweight and it folds up very small, so you can easily throw it in your travel suitcase as your beach cover up or keeping it at home. This is a great option. I would say that if you're looking for something that is lightweight, you can throw on while you're at the pool or the beach to go up to the restaurant to get something to eat, this is really nice. It also dries fast and washes well. So I'd say with this cover up, you can't go wrong, but that's just my point of view.